there, this is Tye Haas with Element Funding. I've been working here with the team at Living, Tennessee for about 4.5 years now, and I've been in the mortgage industry for about 8 years. I love working with the team here. It's always a great environment, stress-free. The transactions go so smooth, and the team's just awesome to be around. And when I'm not working with people, helping them reach their homeownership goals, whether it be a first-time house or investment property or just moving into a bigger home for their family, you can usually find me outside, hanging out with my dogs, hanging out with my wife, working on some old cars, whatever it may be, just trying to stay active and be outside. I look forward to working with you guys and help you reach your homeownership goals.